Okay, welcome to another tutorial. This one's on PHP comments, PHP and HTML comments, just in case you're looking for a bit of info on HTML comments too and the difference. So first of all, we've just got our template index.php document with the header information and the body information there, and then we've got our first section of PHP code here. So this is just two variables that we've got named with some text in them, just two string variables, and we've got a little comment section here. This is the comment section here. This is the main title variables, and you just put in a comment by just putting two forward slashes. Now it has to be under the or inside the PHP code brackets. Now if we have a look and reload the page, we can see that that comment doesn't show up anywhere on the page, so we know that that's working okay. Now if you notice, the bit that does show up is this part here. PHP comments don't work here, HTML comments are required here. Now that's this section here, so I've tried to put in the comments after the brackets closed on the PHP, and this would be where the HTML code is, and you can see that this isn't working correctly. So if you're wanting to make comments in HTML, this is how you have to do them instead. You have to do open bracket, exclamation mark, then two dashes, and then what you're putting in the comments there, and then close it with two dashes and a close bracket as well. So as you can see, that this is what HTML comments look like. As you can see, that doesn't show up on the page anywhere. Now this is the actual HTML code. So here we've got an example here of the title, which I've just put in a single comment. So for that, to say this is the PHP function to output the title, so I can remember. And if you're looking for an over more than one line, because remember this is just one line, the two forward slashes. If you're looking for more than one line, then you'll need a single slash and an asterisk, and you just put that on the first line and then close it with an asterisk and a forward slash again on the last line, and that gives you the option to type in a lot more and be a lot more descriptive with your comments. So I hope that's a good introduction into comments, and remember and comment on your code, because you never know what you're going to be doing sort of when you come back to it and how you're going to remember. So that's why comments are a useful tool. And thanks for watching. Just put any questions in the question box below, and like and subscribe to the videos. Thanks very much. Bye bye.